In Wrapstyler, the flaps, also called seam allowance, can be adjusted thanks to many options. One of these options lets you choose the amount of smoothing used. The coarser the smoothing, the fewer points the flaps will have, which can speed up the cutting process on some machines, but will result in a segmented look, as seen in this example. If we choose a finer smoothing, and after updating our flap, we can see that the outer border of the flap consists of much more points. The result is smoother, but the object will also be slightly heavier to handle. Even when using very fine smoothing, Wrapstyler will try to keep the sharp angles essential to the good definition of the pattern border.